Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Sony Xperia 10 Mark V, and now I'm gonna show you how to add numbers to the keyboard. So, as you can see right now, my keyboard, I have no number, so to add it, we need to open the keyboard settings, then scroll down, find here preferences, and choose number row. Now go back to the message applications or other app when we can write text, and as you can see here now we have numbers row and 3 rows with letters. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.